Welcome to the in front of me OPPO A96, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe to the left side with your finger this white dot by this way. And if you want to do it by the second way, I'll show you. But first you should just here in volume button function. In volume button function, select the ringtone volume. If you have selected the media one, just switch it to the ringtone. And now just by press the down volume button here on the left side of your device, you should also just you can also just mute the ringtone volume of your device. And also we have the third way how you can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and you will see here the volume button, the volume panel. Just swipe to the down with your finger this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.